Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your sliding closet door suddenly comes off track, feels crooked, or refuses to slide smoothly anymore, it can definitely become frustrating, especially when the door gets stuck every time you try to move it. Sometimes one side drops lower than the other, while other times the door completely slips out and no longer lines up correctly. A problem like this can happen because of shifted rollers, dirt buildup, accidental bumps, or the track simply moving out of place over time. Before thinking you need a complete replacement, there are a few simple things worth checking because many sliding closet door problems can improve with a quick adjustment. Let's go through several easy steps to help get a sliding closet door back on track. Try these. Step 1. Slide the sliding closet door gently and check where the track feels stuck. Step 2. Look underneath the sliding closet door for rollers sitting outside the track. Step 3. Lift the sliding closet door slightly and guide the rollers back into position. Step 4. Clean dirt from the sliding closet door track if movement feels rough. Step 5. Test the sliding closet door slowly to confirm alignment feels smoother. Step 6. Open and close the sliding closet door again and confirm it stays on track properly.